clean you off. It's been a long time. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, and today it's the first day in Belgium that it's 20+ degrees, so we're gonna take advantage. We're gonna ride to the beach with our dog. He's gonna play in the sand, and my girlfriend is gonna come along as well. So we're gonna take the Honda CB500X and the Royal Enfield Himalayan out on a stroll. So let's go. Lovely Netherlands. So nice riding here. As you can see, I've got two navigation systems on. Got the TomTom with the overview and Osmond with the GTX track that I'm currently navigating. So yes, every spring or summer these flowers bloom. Oh, and the smell. Ooh. Spring, summer, sun, house, water, motorcycle. We took a little break because of Tilo, our dog, and because Sylvia needed to get some clothes off because it's quite warm. Everybody's very polite to me, probably because they think I'm a cop with this jacket and the orange helmet. I've had this comment a couple of times, people telling me I look like a cop right now. This jacket is called Eclipse, the blue edition of the Eclipse jacket from Revit, just if you're wondering. Sylvia's got the same one, but the ladies version in brown orange type color, and I very much recommend this jacket if it's warm. It's so enjoyable feeling the wind through it. It's very nice, very nice. We have arrived at our destination at the beach with this lovely hills where you can walk your dog. It's a dog-free beach, so we can just let him loose, have fun. And yes, it's perfect weather. I'm loving this. Alright, we've had our beach day. We're gonna go back. Take the highway because it's almost 7 o'clock and it's an hour ride. So let's take these bikes home.